stations. We begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to the lower bracket, playoff match number 5, and we see a yellow sample fling all the way behind the red alliance area now, and the robotics in autonomous over to the left side. This may prove troublesome for this alliance here in a lower bracket playoff match. Meanwhile, free now 4 specimens scored by the solvers on the red high chamber. Free blue specimens on the blue high chamber.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
2 minutes of a teleop play. Live score currently in favor of Alliance 6 over Alliance 5, 125 to 106. But that is a pretty narrow gap, now only separated by 9 or 10 points. So we shall see what happens. As a bit of traffic on the right side of our field, and the robotics in red and the Seattle solvers in red trying to score on this right side of the field. But Sounderbots, interestingly, playing a bit more defensively, trying to slow down the red alliance members as the lead shifts back and forth. Now Alliance 5 currently with just a 2-point lead. They now increase that to 10 points. We shall see what happens to the scores. We have a minute remaining in the match. And the robotics trying to return to the submersible zone. Sounderbots getting in their way, trying to get through into that wider side of the submersible. Solvers of the Red Alliance in the top right corner trying to grab onto a specimen off the Alliance wall. Top left corner is Emerald Bots of the Blue Alliance. That robot in green with a sample in their claw, but they end up making their way towards the red side briefly. Potentially trying to be defensive as well. No, I see the lights turn off briefly on their robot. Hopefully they can get reconnected in the last 25 seconds of our match. Alliance 5 now solidly in the lead, 246 to 162. We will see what happens in our climbs as all 4 robots seemingly reconnect. And the robotics reaching up for that high rung. Sounderbots and Emerald Bots off the low rung. Will Adna get the level 3? They're swinging freely. Sounderbots or solvers remain on the tile. This is our first match in the lower bracket, an elimination match. Let's see who will advance in the lower bracket and who we have to say goodbye to. Red Alliance takes the win in that match. A very tight score, 261 to 209. That does mean that we say farewell to Alliance 6 in blue. That is your captain, 23270, the Sounderbots, and joined by 19708, the